Kyoto's mist where the cherry trees bloom. Whispering winds carry the ancient loom. Celtic tunes flow like a gentle breeze. Violin, flute, and guitar melodies please. Emerald echoes in the heart of the night. Choirs and voices, a celestial light. Kyoto's mystique in every note we play. Dreams and memories in this timeless way. Through the bamboo groves, under the moon so bright, percussion whispers with a gentle might. The soul of Japan in every sound we hear. A journey deep where the spirit does soar.
Please be careful as you exit the rickshaw. We are leaving the town now and entering the famous Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. It is one of the most scenic
Gardens old where the koi swim slow. Flutes sing softly like
And
the
here we
flowing
are,
river flow.
Nijo Castle.
Guitar strum
Look at these
in the silent temple halls.
walks.
Each note a story in their
Here we go.
sacred call.
Hold on tight, the scenic route starts right up
Across
here.
the bridges where the water glows, voices blend together in the evening's rose. The heart of Kyoto in every breath we take is mystical.